What's up, guys? Biker Dave here with this 1996 BMW Z3. But this might apply to many different BMW models that have what I'm about to show you. Let's say you're driving down the road and you accelerate pretty hard and you hear some sort of tingy vibration from under the car. It kind of sounds like an exhaust leak, but you've already investigated that and it's not an exhaust leak. Especially if you're like driving next to a wall or something where it really, where the sound can really be distinguished. Is it on the passenger side or the driver's side? If you can really tell which side that this kind of tingy vibration is coming from, I just found it on mine. Go under the car. Let's get under here. And the first thing you need to do is make sure that it is not exhaust leak, which would possibly be coming from there. That's the joint. So check that, because the nut that was holding this on was stripped. Now that's a side note here, because I did have an exhaust leak, but I'm about to show you is something a little different. Notice this shielding. See this stuff right here? It's like a heat shield that's all underneath the car. All you need to do is kind of go around it and feel for if there's a part of this shield that is tinging against the body of the car, against the floor pan. And I noticed mine was, it was a little bit, it wasn't really loose, but it was away from the floor pan just enough in a couple of areas where it was just kind of, it was a little tingy vibration. So you could just sort of take your fist and just bump on it where you feel it a little loose, or take a soft mallet or something. And just because this stuff is pretty flexible, so just tap on it to make it really firm against the floor pan. And it's all over underneath the car here, as you can see. So just find, or you may just tap on all of it, because it was definitely a noise like that. So all I did was just firm up any of this. It's almost like really thick aluminum foil, and it's just a heat shield from the exhaust. And just tap on it, see if it feels like it's vibrating, and if you think it is, just sort of beat on it a little bit, because it'll mold to to the shape of the floor pan, and just make sure it's not touching anywhere that's causing vibration. Simple as that. Okay, we just removed the catalytic converter on this car because this is a 1996, and a cat is no longer required because this car doesn't require emissions testing in the state of Georgia. So we removed it. I had a shop actually, replace it with a test pipe right there, as you see. And, just tinkering around with a few things on it. It's my first BMW, first Z3. So, just learning about it. And anyway, it definitely solved the tinging vibration problem that you usually hear under hard acceleration. Now you can actually hear the exhaust coming out the back, which actually sounds fantastic. Yeah, this car has a Super Sprint exhaust. And now with the cat removed, it sounds nice and throaty. I'll do a walk around video of this car in the near future. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. And that probably applies to many different cars that have a similar heat shield underneath. That's it. Got tons of other videos about this car and motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, Harley Davidsons, scooters, stuff around the house, new and old cars, trucks. All kind of stuff. So scan the channel, you'll find some stuff that you might like. And if our video helps you, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen and sling us a donation. It definitely helps. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.